So this is exactly how to fix lag in Roblox on your PlayStation 4. So the first thing we need to do is to exit Roblox here and then go back to our main menu right here. And then just click on settings, as you can see. So click on settings. And then in here, we're just gonna click on network. And then on network, click on set up internet connection. And then use Wi-Fi, or if you use a LAN cable, you have to click there, but I use Wi-Fi. Then click on custom right here. And now it's gonna load, and then when it's finished, we're going to select our network here, as you can see, the one that you're connected to. Then you need to click on this button right here, the option button, and then click on Wi-Fi frequency bands. So this right here, use a 5 GHz only if your Wi-Fi router is nearby you. If it's kind of far away, we can use the 2.4 instead, just so you know. Sometimes just doing this can fix the problem completely, by the way. But now I'm just gonna click also on my Wi-Fi here, so just click to be able to enter to it, because there is one more setting that we need to change in Wi-Fi here. And then click on automatic here, click on do not specify, click on automatic, click on manual here, and then primary DNS should be like this. I'm going to show you. I'm just gonna remove everything here and then select like this 8.8.8.8, click on done. Secondary DNS should be like this. I'm gonna show you. So the secondary DNS needs to be exactly like this, 8.8.4.4. Click on done and then click on next. And this one we can have automatic, do not use, internet settings updated. Now we can test the internet connection. So you can see you can test it here and see if it's a lot better. So this, for some reason, completely fixed it for me, and we will see exactly what type of upload speed I have. So yeah, now it's a lot more faster than it was before, at least for me. So try this and hopefully now it's gonna fix it for you as well.